What is WPW under the hood? What is the condition and what causes it?
It is most commonly known as WPW, which is a little bit unfortunate. It is named after three doctors, Wolff-Parkinson-White, which by the name itself doesn't tell you very much. WPW means that there is an extra electrical connection. The heart has its own electrical system which runs it, and it doesn't need it, absolutely, it doesn't need signals from the brain or other nerves to make it go. So the way the heart muscle is operating is it's creating its own signals, and it has its own intrinsic pacemaker, which in a regular pattern makes the heart beat in a particular sequence, and the electrical systems of the heart, electrical cables or wires, if you want to call them, conduct in a specific way so that the heart beats in synchrony. And when it comes to WPW, that person not only has the normal electrical conduction system, there's an extra electrical pathway that shouldn't be there, almost like a short circuit. Sometimes these pathways can lie dormant and not cause problems till different stages of life. Sometimes it starts causing problems as a fetus, sometimes as an infant, sometimes as a child, or later in life. And when it does start causing problems, the electrical flow is going through this abnormal pathway. Under the right conditions, it can create circuits in the heart that start spinning real fast, and the heart starts beating way too fast. In most people, over the rate of 200. It's not just that the heart's racing and going fast, it's the sequence of conduction and the sequence of synchronization of the atria, the upper chambers with the ventricles, not happening in the right way, such that the actual blood flow coming out of the heart is significantly reduced during such episodes.